Morning everyone. We are very much glad to have Dr. Shekhar Seshadri, Sheila Ramaswamy and also Dr. Joyananda Ram. And it is our great pleasure to inform you that our Honorable Pro Vice Chancellor, Professor Srinidhi Bhattacharya, is present with us, and we have we have just 5 minutes felicitation program because due to the shortage of time. First of all, I request our students to felicitate our dignitaries. Please, first of all, we felicitate our Honorable Pro Vice Chancellor, Professor Srinidhi Bhattacharya, and next, I will request our students to felicitate our Dada. And next I will request Dr. Joyananda Ram, please come in to felicitate by our students. Please. Now I request Sheila Ramaswamy. Please.
Okay, let me.
I will request our Honorable Pro Vice Chancellor to say something regarding our workshop in few words.
Mike is not working. I think it's okay. No, it's okay. So first of all, very warm morning to all of you. It's nice to see that the program has exactly started at 9 o'clock, which is quite uncommon at Jadavpur University. If it takes time at 10 o'clock, then also I am quite accustomed that the program is starting at 10:30. So in that particular respect, so this is really good. So it is really appreciating that the program has started exactly at 9 o'clock. So I welcome you all. And nowadays this particular topic, the psychological and mental health intervention in juvenile justice. So this particular mental and psychological health or the counseling in general as a whole on a broad-based topic, it is very, very important nowadays, particularly in the education sector, more specifically in the higher education as well as in the school life also. Because nowadays the people are suffering from a lot of other complications, particularly in terms of thinking, because of the nuclear family. So there are a lot of problems the children and particularly during the adolescence period they are suffering a lot. So under that particular condition, in many cases the parents, both of the parents are working nowadays in most of the cases. So in that particular cases, obviously the children are not getting so much time to be associated with their parents. So under that particular circumstances, the counseling is very, very important because there are some mental complications which might develop among the children or the growing children or even the students, those who are studying at the engineering at Jadavpur University, say for example, I found many students who are suffering from lot of other complications. I personally just counsel quite a few students, in fact, who are doing PhD under my supervision. Though presently I am the professor, but I am coming basically. I am from the engineering discipline. I am a chemical engineer, and I am associated with the Jadavpur University for last more than 28 years. But presently I am in the administration. So I have come across lot of students, but obviously at the quite little bit higher level, that is at the engineering level, those who are studying the bachelor's or master's or PhD at the engineering, particularly, I found the necessity of counseling. So in that particular case, definitely, I have sent many students of mine, in fact, from the chemical engineering department to the counseling center at Jadavpur University. There were some counselors who were associated, some the professional counselors. I've sent some of my students to the professional counselors for counseling purpose. And this is nowadays very, very essential. And in this particular case, our counseling center is doing quite well. And this sort of program, definitely on the mental health or counseling, is very, very important, particularly at the juvenile stage. It is very important, and I am really pleased to see that this particular program is being organized, and there are so many participants here. That is the most important. There are so many participants that it is a full house, in fact. There is hardly any space to sit anymore, I think. So it's really praiseworthy, and I welcome you, and particularly welcome all the delegates and the organizers who have organized this particular workshop. So I welcome you all, and I hope that this will be really successful. Today, in fact, it is a University Foundation Day also. It has coincided with that particular University Foundation Day. I have to go for faculty. So it's a very old university, you know that. Officially, it was founded in 1906. But formally, the Jadavpur University has come into existence in 1955. Previously, it was not Jadavpur University, the Bengal Engineering College under the NC Bengal. So it is the foundation day, so I have to go there. So I wish you all the best, and I hope that it is a really successful event. Thank you very much. Thank you. Okay, I have to leave.
So, yeah,